In this lecture, we will learn what are the variables, how we can take variables, what are the data types that is allowed in Python, and how variables work. Variables can be considered as a container that can contain any value and that can be changed during whatever we are doing with the programs. So anything that we can take as a name of variable like x. There are some special keywords that we cannot take as a variable that is defined in the Python documentation. We will definitely learn throughout this course. But for now, you can just take an example, whatever that we wanted to give the name to the variable that can be assigned, and any value that we wanted to assign to that variable can contain that value. For instance, x can contain integer value 10 and y can contain float value that is 3.14. Integer is a data type and float is also a data type. Here you notice that we didn't define anything, or we just write the name and assign the value. So this actually shows that Python is a data independent language. We don't have to define anything when we are defining our variables, and we don't have to define the types. And the same thing, we just define a name and assign a string value to that. And same for the Boolean values. And if I try to print any of the variable, simply I just need to write print and the value, whatever the variable I wanted to use. But in the Jupyter notebook, I need to first run this first cell, and then I run the second cell, and it gives me the value of whatever the variable contains. If I just wanted to print the name, that is Alice, it will give you, after x, it will give me the value of variable name. So these are the data types and this is how we can take variable in Python. And another thing that we can do is take input from users and print output accordingly. And same like variables, inputs are also data independent. Anything that can be input to a program, we can assign that to any variable name, and that is a data independent or data type independent, and we don't have to predefine the data type to take the input of whatever is coming from the user. So let's start with this one. I just took numeric value and hit enter. It shows me I entered 5. And same like if I give my name, so it will print the name. So it is data type independent, and variables can be printed according to that. So hope this will help you understand what are the variables and how data types works. And that's it. Let's go to the next lecture.